E kublaya pi warok ki pralog ki wasnyaw suk wo pat ye ki video ha new channel ni step hakani ke video kwa open snyaw chapi wa Kreh wa Lait ha is Jaintia hills hawakam te yi ki ini Kreh wa Lait wei kamon u apply iki te ton pat ye kani ke video hadu wakot khanang wayo tip i wasakhyat te chwa wo sdangi lede na perdi yong iki wampu depu subscribe your new channels nya bhaye subscribe we ngat how to bell wa haitu khanang wa yop ten cho phe yo iki video wa thame te tons dangi che i video ki parado parasnam langba ini i video kwa open snyao chapi wa Kreh wa Lait ha National Health Mission ne NHM ha East Jaintia Hills District Khliehriat ki post wa Lait ki santali Lait to nursing tutor kadwa artali wanto auxiliary nurse and midwife post ne ANM. He yeto waka post nursing tutor ki post wa Lait to Laitali ithau posting to ha East Jaintia Hills District age limit to hapo le phau nyaus nem kadwa he yeto won waka tulop daw ki katkam ka NHM norms. He yeto waka qualification wa kam wo apply ye ini Kreh to MSc nursing na kawon ka recognized institution lane ka university. He yeto waki wan ki jingem kam wo apply ye ini Kreh ye phi u check ha NHM East Jaintia Hills job vacancy 2023 nei benta ka post ANM ne auxiliary nurse and midwife ki post wa Lait to artali place of posting to East Jaintia Hills District age limit to hapo le phau nyaus nem irta kadwa he yeto un waka salary daw ki katkam ka NHM norms. He yeto one waka qualification wa kam wo apply ye ini Kreh to matriculate with a certificate course of 18 months duration on FHW training na kawon ka recognized institution lane ka university. He yeto waki wan ki jing kam wo apply ye ini Kreh ye phi u check ha ka NHM East Jaintia Hills job vacancy ar phaule tele de ki wan na perdi yong ki wakwa wo apply ye ini Kreh ye ki wo download ye ka standard application form na ka tu ka link ka wada dep link i ha description yong ini video det ta pendap ye ka ni ka form dai wa elang wa ki self attested photocopies yong woro ki academic wa professional qualification birth certificate SC lane ST certificate experience certificate wa artali ki dor passport size dep attest we ki current contact detail kami address phone number wa email address to utho dai wa che ha ka standard application form we man da dep to submit phi ya ka ni ka form ha office of the DMNHO member secretary district health society East Jaintia Hills District Khliehriat ha chwa la ne ha ka khande tarik yong niu banai hai portion wa je ijanmet. He yeto wan waka tarik wo tho ya ka written test yong ki eligible applicants to ha ka khatle tarik yong niu banai he wa itha wo tho ya ka ni ka test daw pantip ki langba ki SMS neite wan daw le se ya ka personal interview we ki certificate original to open yo hay por interview we yo tibnia cho ye phi u check ha ka NHM East Jaintia Hills job vacancy 2023